Namaste. Let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It took a few attempts, but I could peel the tab. Peel the tab like you're peeling off the stresses from your life. This is it, but we shall peel it later. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm guessing there's going to be a SIM card removal tool, and I can see the future. There it is. It's pointy as usual, like all the troubles that you're going to get rid of today. Getting a long USB-C cable like the long life you most definitely will lead. There's a whole bunch of papers. It's not how quickly you start, but how quickly you finish. Okay, that's useless. Some more paper to comply with the compliance. And the European energy label. That shows not only how energy efficient something is, but how drop resistant, repairable, and waterproof and dust proof. Long live the EU. We're going to reorganize all this garbage so our life doesn't become garbage. Let's look at the main event, the Z Fold 7. Let's get the microphone closer. That was a very unsatisfying peel, but sometimes life is like that. The big moments are disappointing. But this phone, it is so thin. It's thinner than my patience when I'm unboxing phones. It's almost the thinness of the USB-C port, and sometimes the small things in life are more satisfying. Let's remove all encumbrances, all IMEI numbers and serial numbers, and be nice and clean. It closes. It does not start, but we need to have patience. You need to press that power button and not the side of the phone. And I'm sure we shall see the beginning of something beautiful, or the Samsung logo. It is powered by Android, but we are humans, so let's open up this phone like humans would. But first, look at that gorgeous screen, so much bigger than its predecessors, welcoming me in a language I do not understand. That's like life. There we go. We have unfolded, and we are going to let the unfolding take us to a new and special place. Stay subscribed to DHRME for the whole review. That's it. Dewey.